This video is from Lockheed Martin, demonstrating complete supervised autonomy on the S-70 Black Hawk.
Engaging autonomous auto start. Sending in 3, 2, sending. Autonomous takeoff. Just completing into a stable hover. You can see the first obstacle coming into the flight path, and there's a left-hand turn to avoid the large no-fly zone. We're entering the cityscape now. You see the aircraft maneuvering between the simulated buildings. And there's the flight plan home. Sending in 3, 2, sending. Flight plan on the way home, 3 waypoints, and then that final waypoint is a landing waypoint, so the aircraft will come in at 90 knots approach speed, decelerating for touchdown. Okay, there's mission complete.
The Sikorsky partnered with the DARPA, or the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, to improve flight safety and operations so humans and machines can work together more seamlessly. With this technology, pilots can focus on saving lives or transporting cargo instead of the mechanics required for contemporary flight. In the recent mission, they demonstrated a complete supervised autonomy. That means the machine is flying autonomously, but in the presence of pilot. The S-70 OPV Black Hawk helicopter demonstrated autonomous takeoff, landing and 2 simulated obstacle avoidance scenarios. All those with a tablet. In future, the aircraft can be operated with 2, 1 or 0 pilots. At all times of the day or night, and in a variety of complex scenarios, including contested, congested, and degraded visual environments. The helicopter can be seen with 2 pilots. The pilot on right has the controls. The left one has a tablet. Through this tablet, he will be operating and monitoring the helicopter. He can send commands to the helicopter via this tablet. Black Hawk helicopter was retrofitted with a technology kit to give it full authority, fly-by-wire flight controls. The envelope has been fully expanded for speed and angle of bank, and the team has worked to add additional sensors to the aircraft. Flight testing this year has included supervised autonomy, trajectory following, and obstacle avoidance. In 2021, the OPV Black Hawk will fly completely autonomously, meaning no operator on board for the first time. That's all for now. See you again with more robotic technologies. Robotics every day.